Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on the very slow process of the project bike. I've got everything bolted up now so I can take it next door to my welder to see what's going on. But this is the plate kit I got from Andrew, or the plans from Andrew for the laser cut. But I thought I'd just kind of go show you what's going on here. Start here real quick. These are the secondary engine plates for the 500, and if you can look inside, you might be able to see these are the little spacers I built up from the cast pipe to get this all correct. So I've got the axles all lined up there. He's made it so you can keep the stock foot pegs, but this didn't line up too well on mine, and I'm not going to use them, so I just totally removed that little foot peg mount there. I've got this here. I've got the cruddy, crappy old piece of crap 500 motor cases here as a test. Come over here, and you can see this is the bottom motor mounts. I had to have them changed from originals. Andrew's originals, his kind of came around, but the place that did these for me couldn't do that, so this will be fine. These will be all welded up nicely. We've got the front motor mount plates. I don't have the spacers, really don't need them right now for location, because I've got this all tightened up here with the bolts in there, so that's all there. I have the back bolts here run through and tightened. I don't use the top motor mounts on my motors. They don't really need it, so I don't run those, but I just thought I'd show you around and show you the what's going on here. I can these are nice and loose to run through there, so it's all bolted up tight, ready to go. So I just thought I'd show you what was going on here. And then once those are welded in, then I can start cleaning up all that tab removal stuff there. So, well, that's about it for what I'm doing here now on the frame for the Forever project. Have a good day, guys.